Here is how to set up a cold wallet using Ledger step by step. First, unbox your Ledger Nano device, either Ledger Nano S Plus or Nano X. Connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Now go to ledger.com/start and download the official app called Ledger Live. Install and open it. On your Ledger device, choose Setup as a new device. Next, create a 48-digit PIN code directly on your Ledger. You use this to unlock the device every time. Ledger will now show you a 24-word recovery phrase. Write it down on a paper and store it offline in a safe place. Never take a photo or store it online. Anyone with that phrase can access your wallet. Confirm the recovery phrase by selecting the correct words in order. Once complete, your cold wallet is ready. Go back to Ledger Live, click Add Account, choose a crypto asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, and follow the prompts to connect your device. You can now send, receive, and manage crypto securely with your private keys offline at all times. And that's how to set up a cold wallet on Ledger, safe, offline, and trusted by millions of crypto users. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.